Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Pretty in Pigment. My name is Siley and this is my channel. If you are into beauty, fashion, and all of the pretty things in life, I suggest you subscribe right now. About one of my favorite things, and that is Dia&Co. Now, this box is a new box that I got. I wasn't expecting it. My friends at Dia sent it, and it was a little surprise that I came home to on my doorstep on Wednesday. So I am excited to open it up and see what's inside. But to give you a little bit of background about Dia&Co, Dia&Co is a plus-size subscription service. So what they do is they give you a stylist and you fill out a questionnaire online all about your personal style, the things that you like, and then Dia will send you items based on your likes. So my stylist is usually Ashby. She is bomb.com. She always hooks me up with really cute pieces of things that I'll like. And when I filled out my Dia questionnaire, I was really honest about my style. I told them that I like eclectic things and that I like funky prints and that I like to try edgy pieces. So usually I get those types of things, and even for someone like myself that's really into fashion, I find Dia&Co really useful because a lot of times I'll get pieces that I usually wouldn't buy for myself, and it encourages me to experiment with new things. And if you are new to Dia&Co and you're someone that either doesn't like to do your own shopping, doesn't have time to do your own shopping, or maybe you're just someone that needs a little help with, your style or whatnot and can use a personal stylist. And come on guys, who does not want a personal stylist? I mean, like, all the celebrities have personal stylists, so why can't we have one? So with Dia&Co, you can have that. And enough of me rambling, let's see what's inside this bad boy. All right, so my favorite little gold scissors to cut boxes open with here. Let's see. It's always the fun part. Now, every time that you get a Dia box, you will get a little love letter, as I like to call it, inside of your box. The love letter doesn't usually look like this, so I'm assuming this is something new. I will spare you guys all of the details, but for the month of February, Dia&Co is doing something called Full Body Love, and it's a movement by their community to encourage women to celebrate their bodies exactly as they are today, which is really cool. So this box is about their new spring collection, and it has brand new pieces in it for their Full Body Love campaign. So this is actually from Julian, which is not Ashby, my usual person, so I'm excited to see what Julian sent me today. And there's also this cute little letter here. And this one here is basically a story of one of the community members, which is something that's really cool about Dia. I actually am part of their Seattle community, and it's really cool. Dia's been sharing stories of their actual users, people who get their boxes. I shouldn't say users, but their actual subscribers. So they're a really cool company in terms of like being inclusive of their community and really supporting their community. So I'm gonna take some time to read this when I'm off camera, because I know you guys want to see what's in here. So let's dig in. So first things first, I see something printed, and I love prints. So what do we have? This is a pretty blouse. Look at this. So I love polka dot print, and I know this isn't a polka dot print, but it reminds me of a polka dot print because you have like the black and white and that kind of aesthetic. And it's a little collared blouse. So let's see, and it has no sleeves, so it's sleeveless. So this is a cute piece to start layering for spring. I would definitely wear this under like a jacket right now. I'm really into like peg pants and wide pants and more structured kind of pants. I don't know, I'm having a pants moment right now, so I think this could be really cute with a pair of lavender pants that I actually just picked up. Then for the next piece inside the box, and both of these pieces are by Ryan White, which is a new collection by Dia&Co. Now this is really cute, guys. Like, check out these little ruffles. So this is fun. So when you wear it, it gives you like a nice little accent up here. Again, sleeveless, a little cold right now to wear it just like this, but again, it makes a perfect layering piece for this time of year. And this is another piece by Ryan White. And this is a blouse. This is more of like a traditional blouse, and it looks like it kind of flares at the bottom. I'll try some of these on so you guys can see what they look like. But then it just has a regular sleeve here, and it's like a little bit like of an off-white color. And then the next piece looks like maybe a jacket. Yeah, I think we have a jacket here. Makes sense because it's time to layer. So this is by Molly and Isadora, this piece. And yeah, this is a cute little piece that could work with any of those tops. It's like a utility jacket and it cinches at the waist, which I love in jackets. And then for the final piece inside of the box, it's a pair of jeans. And I am obsessed with jeans lately. Like I just told you guys, I am really into pants right now. I don't know, I go through like these phases. I had like this phase where I was really into dresses and I wore dresses all of the time, and then it was skirts, and like now it's pants, particularly jeans. But I'm trying to step outside of my jean box because if I showed you my closet, it is getting insane the amount of jeans that I have. So I am trying to switch it up and trying different styles, but I will never say no to a nice pair of jeans. I already like these because they have distressing, which is a must for me. It's just a trend that I don't think I ever want to go away. These are cuffed, but it looks like you can roll them down as well. Yeah, I wear my pants cuffed often because I'm short. I'm only 5'2", so most pants are too long on me. So this has become like a staple of me wearing jeans, although these look like they're a good length. These jeans do have some stretch in them, which is nice. So I am excited to try these pieces on. So let's do that. Let's do a try on session and see what these pieces look like on. All right, so here is the first outfit. I put together this blouse because I really like the print of this piece with the jeans, and I put the utility jacket right over it. This blouse is really cute because like I said, it's short sleeve. It's a little too cold right now for me to wear this like this. So using it with something like with this utility jacket is perfect. Something I really like about this shirt is that it has like a split. I'll show you. It's like split in the back like this. So I'm able to just grab the front of it and knot it. And this is like a way that I like to wear button-down shirts. It's just a personal thing. I'm still new to wearing button-down shirts, so it's just a way that I feel more comfortable in them. So I like this because I can wear this shirt just like this with these jeans. These jeans are super cute. They're a little tiny bit too big on me, but the cool thing about Dia&Co is that if they send you a piece and it doesn't fit, you can send it back and exchange it for another size. And if you get your box and you like one piece or two pieces, you don't have to keep all of the pieces inside of the box. You can send back what doesn't work, give your stylist some feedback on how they can make it better for you next time, and then you can get new pieces then. So since these pants are a little big on me, I can send these back, and if they have them in stock, they usually send over a different pair that fits better. So it's really cool. It's kind of like a shopping experience, but you do minimal work with it. You don't have to go to the store and exchange it. You just drop a label on the bag and just send it right back, and they'll send you a new one if they have it. So now I'm gonna show you this same outfit with a different top. So let's look at that. Okay, so now I'm wearing the Ryan White ruffle tee, or I should say ruffle top. This is really cute. It's like a jersey material, so it's really soft, and then the ruffles up here more of like a chiffon material. So they're a little firmer and they actually keep the ruffles up. So this is another really cute piece that you can wear like tucked in if you wanted to with the jeans, or it's long enough to wear it long if that's how you wanted to wear it. I'm actually going to layer the jacket over it just so you can see what that looks like again with this piece. And I love this jacket. I'm gonna live in it probably all of spring. It's just perfect. I love the color, I love the fit. It is perfection. So this is kind of gives you an idea what it looks like with the jacket, and the jacket also zips up, so I'll show you what that looks like too. I can get the zipper lined up here. It's hard to see over these ruffles. So let's see. Yeah, so that gives you an idea what it looks like zipped up on how you can wear this utility jacket and ruffled black top. I like it because like the ruffles just kind of like peekaboo over the jacket there. So what do you think of this? So this is the last look with the 3 different blouses that Dia&Co sent me. This is a more of a classic blouse with a modern twist. It has like kind of like this peplum flare at the bottom. And I'm gonna be really honest with you, I don't typically wear long sleeve shirts like this, like button down shirts. They're usually challenging for me because of these girls right here. I usually can't find them to kind of close and actually fit me the rest, like fit the rest of me the right way. They're usually too big on the shoulder if they're wide enough around the girls kind of thing. So this actually fits really nicely. As you can see, it fits on my back and it fits on in front. Like I said, it has like this flare. I'm gonna be honest with you, like I said, sometimes Dia challenges me to try new things, and this is one of those pieces. Like, I like this piece. It's not something I would typically wear, but it's something that my stylist has challenged me to try, and I'm up for the challenge. So you could easily wear this outfit like this. Of course, it needs to be ironed. It just came in a box, so I will iron this before I actually wear it out. But for the try-on purpose, this could work. This could be a really cute, chic outfit. This could work for like a casual Friday at work, or even like going out like to brunch with a friend or something. You could definitely dress it up with a nice necklace. Like, there's so much you could do with this. You could belt it. So I'm gonna play around with ideas. This is a new idea for me. So if you wear collared shirts like this, and this is kind of like more your style, I would love it if you could leave me comments below and let me know ideas, ways how I could style this. I would love to try them out. I would love to see what you have to say. So make sure you let me know if you have some ideas, and I'd love to know what you think of just this outfit in general. So what did you think about the pieces that I tried on? I'd love to hear your feedback about them. Make sure to leave those in the comments. Let me know how you think I can style those pieces, or what you liked about the pieces, what you didn't like about the pieces. Also, if you have any questions about Dia&Co, drop them below. I've been working with Dia&Co for over a year now, so I know quite a bit about them, and like I said, I love Dia&Co. It's an awesome way to check out new brands, try on new clothes, and have someone help you style outfits, which is a really fun perk to have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a like, and if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, bye!